Hi everyone. Today me and three of your friends, Ashutosh, Ayushi and Smriti, had planned a video to give you some ideas about how to spend time on this boring lockdown and make it interesting one with your family. Hope it will help you. Everything happens for a reason, right? In this moment, amidst the coronavirus outbreak that has been reported to have affected more than 110 countries worldwide, parents and children have the time to be home together. How? Governments have directed that schools be closed and employees to work from home as a preventive measure against the spread of COVID-19 virus.
In Kenya, it is no different as all students by now are home with their parents. This is not the norm for most families whose kids are away in school for most part of the day while the adults are at work. But now, everyone sits in the house together from morning to evening. Well, not all households are like this, but that is sort of the picture, or rightly what the government expects its citizens to do. For both child and parent, this is a new routine. But let us put all the negative effects in one box and close it. Parents who spend time with their children tend to see and learn, especially in behavioral change. The reality is that not all parents are able to do this because food needs to be put on the table and bills need to be paid. Why don't we take advantage of this mini lockdown and make the best of it? Even when work needs to be done, it is worth the try.
It can be hard at first to keep a child occupied at home, especially if they are not used to being in the house during the day. But worry not, there are a lot of things to do, and most importantly, your child can still learn while at home. There are television and radio stations, for example, Kenya Broadcasting Channel and Edu TV, that are broadcasting various subjects taught in public schools. Truth is, not every child can access the internet and do studies online or keep themselves busy doing projects. Aside from book learning, there is a very important part of child development that should not be forgotten: play. It is true what they say, work without play makes Jack a dull boy. That is why there are breaks in between lessons, because the mind needs rest. Join your child while they engage in different activities that are fun for them. If you don't know, because most games are very different from your time growing up, ask your child to teach you and then play together. Be in the moment. This helps both of you to form or strengthen the bond, which is important for parents and their children.
Why not bring back the traditional way of doing things? Remember the storytelling sessions in the evening at grandma's around the fire in the evening after the last meal of the day. Yes, you could rekindle this by starting with putting phones aside and turning off TV or radio and gather around and tell your children the stories you were told growing up. Those that made your childhood fun, and even how it was growing up, since times have certainly changed. The best way to get through this period is to create memories with family and spend quality time with each and other. Remember that it is all about having that interest to be involved with what they are doing. Plus, you will be aware of their movements and behavior around others and rectify where possible. In short, you get the chance to know your child more, because the learning process never stops, right?
Last but not least, be present mind-wise and have fun. Wash your hands with soap and water, or sanitize and just maintain a good level of hygiene to protect yourselves from the coronavirus. Keep the hope burning, because this will be over and you will have priceless memories with your loved ones.